Hi, this is ACG number 1 and the title is Date. And this video is to explain the grammar used in this lesson. And because the video is too long, so I divided them into 5 videos, and this is the 03A in Mandarin. In the ACG number 1, I use a lot of basic sentence to form the article and the conversation. The format of the basic sentence is subject, verb, and object. And you can put the adjective to extend the subject and the object. And you can also use the effort to describe the verb. Now, I tell you how to combine an adjective with the subject or object. There are two kinds of adjective. The first one is to combine, just put the adjective before a noun. For example, Gao Shan. This one is adjective, this one is noun, means a high mountain. And I can use this to form a sentence. For example, 这是一座高山. That means this is a high mountain. I have used this combination of the subject, adjective, and the noun as a object. Okay. Another example, 黑发. Okay, that means black color, black hair. I also use this one as an object of a sentence. For example, 我喜欢妈妈的黑发. I like mother's black hair. This is the first kind of the basic format of adjective. Here is another combination of adjective and noun. Okay, and in this combination we put a word the between the adjective and the noun. For example, 红色的汽车. That means red car. Okay, and we can also use this combination to be an subject or object. For example, 爸爸买了一辆红色的汽车. That means father bought a red car. Okay, we have used this combination as an object. Another example, 很黑的头发. That means black hair. And we have also put the between the adjective and the noun, and we can also form an object. For example, 妈妈有一把很黑的头发. That means mother has a very black hair. In here, the 把 okay, is the quantifier of 头发. Now I will introduce the effort. An effort can be combined with a verb and a noun or an adjective. For example, 快要做完. That means nearly finished. And we can use this as to be a sentence. 我快要做完功课. That means I'm nearly finished the homework. Okay. And another example, 永远美丽. Forever beauty. This one is an effort, and this one is an adjective. Okay, we can also use this to form a sentence. 她在我心中永远美丽. In my heart, she is forever beauty. This is another form of effort. In this format, we put a verb the between the effort and an ongoing action. For example, 开心的跳舞. That means happily dance. Okay, we can use this effort to form to be a part of a sentence. For example, 妹妹开心的跳舞. That means little sister dance happily. And another example, 努力的读书. That means hard study. Okay, 弟弟努力的读书. That means little brother study very hard. Now, we are used the example from the article to see that how to use just the basic sentence to form an article or conversation. For example, this one, 一年有12个月. That means there are 12 months in a year. In here, and this one is subject, verb, and object. And if you want to divide them in detail, the 一 is adjective, 年 is noun, and 12 is adjective, noun is month is noun. Okay, another example. 2月只有28天. That means February has only 28 days. Okay, this one is subject and verb and object, and this one is is adjective of the noun 月, and the 只 is the adverb of 有. Okay, and the 28 is the adjective of 10. Here is another example. 12月有31天. That means all this month and December has 31 days. I just cut this part as an example. In here you can also see that all this is subject, verb and object. Okay, you can find the adjective and of each part. Okay, another example. 每个月有4到5个星期. That means a month has 4 to 5 weeks. Okay, subject, verb and object. Okay, and 每个 is the adjective of 月, and 4到5个 is also the adjective of week. And there are still another 4 examples, and if you want, you can just pause the video and find all of them, and then come back to see the answer. Here are another 2 example. For example, 一年总共有52个星期. There are totally 52 weeks in a year. This is the subject, verb and object, and 一 is the adjective of 年, and 总共 is the adverb of 有. 52个 is the adjective of 星期. And another example is 今天是几号? What date is it? And this one is subject, subject, verb and object. Although this is a question, but you can see that if you put the answer here, and this is actually is a basic sentence. These are the 2 last example. 今天是7月24号. That means today is 24th July. Also subject, verb and object. Okay, 今 is the adjective of 10. And the last example. 我的生日是8月24号. My birthday is 24th August. Okay, and adjective and noun to form the subject, verb, and this is the object. Okay, so you can see that you can use the basic sentence to form an article or conversation. And you may have a very deep thinking or complicated ideas, but try to present them in basic sentence. Just practice more. I will extend the basic sentence into more complicated sentence. So if you can familiar with the basic sentence, you can very easy to understand my for my coming lessons. Okay, just try. Okay, good luck.